What if I told you your body doesn't just care about what you eat, it cares when you eat? You might be eating healthy, but if you are eating at the wrong time, your body might treat that salad like a piece of cake. Your body might store that healthy food as fat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating science called chrononutrition. How the timings of your meals can be just as important as what you eat, where your internal body clock meets the way you eat. Chrononutrition is the science of eating in sync with your body's natural clock, that is your circadian rhythm. Your body is not running on random time. It follows a daily 24 hours rhythm that controls sleep, digestion, hormone release, metabolism, and even cell repair. And when we follow it, our metabolism, hormones, sleep, and even weight start falling into place. But before we dive into time, let's rewind a bit. What is nutrition really? Nutrition is a science of how your body uses food to grow, to heal, to function, and to thrive. It's not just about eating enough, it's about getting the right nutrients in the right amount and, yes, at the right time. Every bite of food you eat, whether bread, eggs, or butter, it's broken down into macronutrients and micronutrients. So we have two types of nutrients. Macronutrients, which are the big players. Micronutrients, they are the tiny powerhouse. The three main macronutrients are carbs, proteins, and fats. Carbs break down into glucose. This glucose is absorbed into bloodstream. Glucose is the main fuel for the brain and muscles. Where it is found in rice, bread, fruits, and veggies. Proteins break down into amino acids. It builds and repairs the tissues, enzymes, and hormones. It is found in lentils, eggs, dairy, meat, and nuts. Fats break down into fatty acids. It is a long-lasting energy source. It supports cell structure, hormones, and brain health. It is found in oils, ghee, nuts, seeds, and avocados. Now let's understand micronutrients, which are the tiny helpers. Now these are vitamins and minerals your body needs in smaller amounts, but they are essential for hundreds of processes. The key micronutrients include vitamins like A, C, D, E, and B complex. They support immunity, vision, skin, bones, and metabolism. Minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc regulate the nerves, muscle contraction, blood pressure, and oxygen transport. They don't give calories, but they activate every reaction in your body, from producing hormones to fighting off infection to maintaining brain health. Micronutrients are essential. Without micronutrients, your macronutrients can't even function properly. So, both need to be balanced, both need to be in sync and taken at the right time to get the full benefit. So, if food is the fuel, what controls how that fuel is used? Let's talk about the engine behind it all, the circadian rhythm. Your body isn't running randomly. It's running on a 24-hour internal schedule, a biological clock known as your circadian rhythm. Every organ in your body follows this schedule. It's like a natural software inside you. It's like your internal timekeeper, syncing your hormones, digestion, and metabolism with light and darkness. This clock is run by a part of your brain called suprachiasm nucleus, or SCN that we call, which responds to light and dark signals. So, when the sun rises, your body wakes up. It raises cortisol to energize you and increases insulin sensitivity, perfect for breaking down breakfast. And when the sun sets, digestion slows and the body prepares for rest and not food. Every organ in your body, from your brain to your stomach to your liver, follows this rhythm. So, when you eat at the right time, you're working with your body. Eat at the wrong time and you throw that rhythm off. Here's the amazing part. Your digestive organs don't work the same all day. Just like your energy changes across the day, so does your digestion. Let's break it down. Morning, which is between 6 to 10 a.m., your cortisol level rises, your body wakes up, and your metabolism kicks in. Now your pancreas is ready to release insulin. Your digestive system is active to absorb glucose and carbs efficiently. That means your cells can absorb glucose efficiently for energy and not store it as fat. Your muscles are ready to absorb glucose. This is the best time for your healthy carbs, complex carbs like oats, fruits, root vegetables, and even rice or millet. And why your body needs carbs at this time? Because your brain needs glucose to think clearly, your muscles need it to move, and your metabolism is wide awake, ready to burn. So, when you eat carbs early, you're giving your body clean fuel exactly when it knows how to use it best. The window of midday is between 11 am to 2 pm. This is when your digestive fire is strongest. Your liver, stomach, and small intestine are in full function mode, ready to break down proteins and fats with the least stress. Protein isn't just about muscles, it also repairs cells, creates enzymes and hormones, and supports immunity. And your body tends to use protein more efficiently in the afternoon and early evening, especially if you have been physically active. This is when muscle protein synthesis is highest, making it the perfect time for your main protein intake. So, include things like legumes, tofu, paneer, eggs, fish, or lentils in your midday to evening meals. You are not just feeding your muscles, you are supporting tissue repair and hormonal balance. Next up, fats. And here's where things get interesting. Fats are digested slower than carbs or protein. They give long lasting energy and help absorb fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So, this is the best window to metabolize fat, midday to early evening. This gives your body enough time to break them down without interfering with your nighttime detox or sleep. This is the best time to have your largest meal, including balanced portion of carbs, proteins, and healthy fats. In the evening, between 6 pm to 8 pm, your digestion starts to slow down. Your body becomes less sensitive to insulin. Your gut lining becomes less permeable. Your stomach acid production drops, and your liver begins to detox, not digestion. It is a time for light meal. Also, fat digestion slows down, making heavy or fried foods harder to process, which leads to bloating, fat storage, and poor sleep. After sunset, in the night, your body starts preparing for rest and repair. Melatonin rises, digestion slows down, your liver and gut shifts from processing food to healing the body, from digestion to restoration. Eating heavy meals, especially rich in sugar, fat, or excess protein, can lead to bloating, fat storage, acid reflux, and disturbed sleep. So remember, after sunset, your body wants calm and not calories. But what if you ignore the timing? What happens when you eat the right food but at the wrong time? Let's look at what really happens to your body when your meal timing is out of sync. So, we know when the body prefers carbs, proteins, and fats, but what happens if you don't follow that rhythm? You are not just eating off schedule, you are confusing your internal system. Okay, wait, let me explain. Your body works like a clockwork system. Your organs take turns being most active throughout the day. So, when you eat against your body's rhythm, your internal system becomes confused. So, here's what starts happening. You disrupt your glucose balance. Carbs eaten late at night are more likely to spike your blood sugar and get stored as fats, not used as energy. You feel sluggish during the day. Your metabolism slows down when you skip meals early and overeat later. Your sleep suffers. Eating close to bedtime means your liver is still working when it should be detoxing, and that messes up with melatonin, your sleep hormone. You store more fat. Late night meals signal the body to store, not burn. Your hormones go off balance. Insulin, leptin, ghrelin, cortisol, they all work in cycles. So when you eat against the body's rhythm, it confuses all of them and eventually leads to risk of diabetes, obesity, and sleep disorders, and also many more diseases. So even if you are eating healthy, timing can make the difference between energy and exhaustion, between weight gain and balance. So by now you're probably thinking, okay, I get it, but what's the real payoff? Great question. Because when you eat in sync with your body's clock, the benefits go far beyond just digestion. Let's look at the full picture. You feel more energetic. Why? Because you're fueling when your body can actually use it. No crashes, no fatigue. Next, you sleep better and longer because your hormones are in rhythm and your stomach isn't working overtime at night. Next, you burn fat more naturally. Eating earlier helps your metabolism work smarter, not harder. You think more clearly. Your brain loves glucose in the morning and stable protein support later on. This improves focus, memory, and clarity. You balance your hormones from insulin to cortisol to melatonin. Everything runs smoother when you eat on time. You lower long term disease risk. Chrononutrition supports heart health, weight balance, blood sugar control, and reduces inflammation. And guess what? You don't need to give up your favorite food. Just eat them when your body can handle them best. So here's the bottom line. Your body runs on a clock and your organs also run on a clock. And your food should too. When you eat right foods at the right time, you support digestion, boost metabolism, balance hormones, and feel more energetic naturally. Chrononutrition isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Align your meals with your body clock, and your body will thank you. Try eating with your circadian rhythm for just 7 days and feel the difference. Comment below with your meal time. And what will you change starting today? If this video helped you understand how timing your food matters, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself.